I'm going to show you different techniques for using colored pencils. So we're starting with pencils in primary colors and really sharp pencils. So I've got a blue, red and yellow. So starting with the blue, I'm going to color a square here evenly using medium pencil pressure. So not too light, not too dark, to get a tone just similar to what I've got in my picture here. Trying to fill all the gaps. Once I've got that, I'm going to go to a light pencil pressure. So I'm trying to color that in much lighter but same. I just want an even color and trying to fill all the gaps. You can see here I'm changing the directions of my pencil to get a better finish. Once you've done that, we're going to go and do a really dark pencil pressure on here where we press really hard to get the hardest color we can get on there. Same, trying to be nice and neat and fill all the gaps as much as possible. I'm going to stop and annotate my work on here, write down what I've done. So here we're trying different pencil pressures and changing the pencil pressures and writing that down on there. So the second thing I want to do is a gradient. So we want to change the pencil pressure as we go along. So start with a hard pencil pressure and go lighter and lighter to get a gradient. So a gradient is when you get from light to dark or dark to light. So here I'm doing dark to light. I'm just going back over the top and make it nice and neat as well. Just layering my colors nicely to make sure I've got that transition on here. So same here, I'm putting gradient, annotating my work. Okay, so the next thing I want to do on here, and I'm going to use my red again together with some yellow to do a gradient. We've got two colors blending. So here I'm starting with really dark red and then going to medium pencil pressure, and I'm going to go, once I've kind of polished that in, going to get my yellow and have the two colors meeting in the middle, so we get the two colors layered together, and we should get an orangey tone on there when those two colors mix together. So here we go. You can go back over the top and just kind of layer your pencils to get the best finish possible on here, and make sure you've got a smooth transition between the two colors. So it's really what we're looking at, getting a smooth transition on there. So once I'm happy with my results, I'm just same annotating my work and writing down what I've done. So blending colored pencils on here. It's also sometimes called a ombre effect on here. So I'm writing that down too. The last bit I want to show you is how you can layer. When you use a medium pencil pressure, you can layer your colors on here. So I'm coloring, layering the red and blue, and then the yellow as well. So you can see how the colors are changing where you are layering them on here, and the different effects you can get through that. So same, annotating that one, medium pencil pressure and layering the colors. And at the bottom here I'm going to write the title of what I've done, which is pencil techniques. So I'm going to write that down in my sketchbook. So now I've got another page of my sketchbook, my samples on here showing.